Hi, my name is Will Simpson, and welcome to my screencast about the snowy owl. Why is the relationship between the snowy owl, one of the apex predator species of the Arctic tundra, and the brown lemming, its primary food source, so out of balance? The owl's numbers are in steep decline because of climate change. Snowy owls are the largest avian predator in the Arctic and one of the world's largest owls. She is a single-minded hunter, camouflage, swift, equipped with acute hearing and sight. She has an insatiable craving for the taste of brown lemmings. She hunts during the day in her northern habitat, but becomes a nocturnal hunter as she moves south, following the boom years in her food supply. The females are bigger than the males. The males do most of the hunting, bringing food to the nest, and the larger females carry extra body fat to insulate the brood from the harsh Arctic weather. The relationship of snowy owls and the brown lemming is complicated, and a key area of study for the Owl Research Institute, the leading owl scientific group. In many areas of the Arctic, the changes in snow patterns caused by climate change have complicated an already tenuous relationship between the predator and prey. The number of nesting females may drop down to a dangerously low number of 1,700 worldwide during lemming declines. The number of snowy owls is less than 10% of what it once was. The snowy owl is a threatened species that we do not usually see in the lower 48 states until an eruption occurs. An eruption results from the lemming population cycle, but not in the way you'd think. For the snowy owl, this happens when the lemming population has been high, which leads to a snowy owl breeding success, leading to a lot of snowy owls. Depending on the spike in population, the owls may migrate thousands of miles looking for food. The owls we see in the lower 48 states were born above the Arctic Circle. The number of snowy owls reflects the Arctic ecosystem's health, primarily because they put limits on the lemming population. If the lemming population didn't stop growing, the already scarce Arctic vegetation would become even scarcer, spelling trouble for the entire Arctic food chain. Climate change is now widely perceived to be the primary driver of the snowy owl's decline. Climate change factors affect directly the brown lemming and indirectly the snowy owl. You can support research into the snowy owl, brown lemming, climate change relationship by going to the Owl Research Institute's website and getting involved by adopting an owl.